What's up, guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. Today we'll continue doing the maintenance on the F-150, 2010 F-150 FX4. And I think this is a common issue with a lot of the F-150s is the gas cap spring and hinge assembly goes bad. As you can see, this is like loose. When you hit a bunch of bumps, it falls down. Sometimes they say you can fix it by adjusting, like the spring on the back comes off, but I ended up buying a whole new assembly for it. But as you can see, it's really flimsy and it doesn't look like it's holding. And then there's sometimes it'll hold, but as soon as you hit a bump, it pops out. So we did end up getting a new housing. I don't think this is OEM, but the part number, I believe, for the OEM part is 9L3Z as in zebra 9927936B. I'm gonna try to see if I can find the part and post the link in the description below in case you guys are interested in it. I'll check Amazon because we are affiliated with Amazon, so you know we get a little bit back if you guys purchase through them, so that's always cool. But let's try this out and see if it works. First things first, there's this ring here that you need to pop off. It's just a bunch of tabs. And then we have 3, it looks like, let's see, maybe they're 10 or maybe they're 8. They look like an 8. Yep, they're 8mm. So take those 3 8mm off. I have my ratchet. My trusty Milwaukee ratchet, so we'll use that just to make things easier. And we can get in there. Alright guys, we got the old one out. It was a pain because you have these 4 tabs right there, there, that you need to get to from under here. You gotta get your hand in there. Yep, you gotta get your hand up in there behind it, as you can see, to get those tabs out. I used a plastic pry tool and a rag, but we still kind of scratched it a little bit here, but we're gonna polish that out and probably touch it up with some paint. But we got it off. Now we got to get the cover off of this to put on that one, so let's work on that. All right guys, so we ended up having to lift this up and then pull it, and it slid off pretty easy. So let's see if that works on this one. Open that up. Line it up. Slide it forward. Whew. Guess it didn't click. There we go. Yeah, push it really good, and it pops in. Awesome. So now, let's get this in. was really hard. We really had to squeeze that in there. So there's a clip that you have to line up. I kind of screwed up the rubber a little there, so we're gonna have to fix that. But as you can see, all the holes line up, so that's good. And now we can put the screws back in, and as you can see, it has a lot more spring when it closes. And we just gotta clean it up a little bit. Alright, so we're going to put our fuel label piece on. It clips on like that. That looks good. And we have our blocking fuel cap. That just to check it. There we go. Really good spring, holds it in place, it doesn't flop around. Alright guys, that's a wrap. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe, and as you can see, it's working really good now. It's nice and smooth and flat against the wall. It's not shaking around, and we're good to go. We'll catch you in the next video.